RigWheels are a great multi-purpose camera tool for all sorts of different camera applications. Today we're going to recreate this pipe dolly using about $15 worth of supplies from your local hardware store. Okay, to make this happen, we're going to use just a few parts. We have our RigWheels, of course. We're using a 5/16 inch, 3.5 inch bolt with some washers and a wing nut. You can make these a little shorter, but these are all I had for right now. We have two pieces of 3-foot pre-threaded 1-inch PVC pipe, already threaded on the end, so you don't have to worry about that. And we have a threaded T-junction that we're going to join those pipes together with. First up, we're going to cut this one section into 2 even portions of 15 inches, making sure that, of course, we have a threaded piece on each end. Let's get to it. There's one. There's 2. Extra sections garbage. Third section, we're going to cut one piece off of at 22.5 inches. These measurements are not exact, they just work for me. You can make this base as large or small as you feel you need to. 22.5 inches. And that section's garbage. Okay, now our T-junction in the vertical portion, we're going to put our 22.5 inch section. And the key is to make sure that these are nice and tight, maybe even use some thread lock to make sure that they never spin once you're using them for your base. Okay, that's the business part. Now all we have to do is punch a few holes in it to put our wheels in. About 1 inch from the edge on each section, we're going to drill a 5/16 inch hole, making sure that we get this as vertical and straight as possible to make sure your wheels run straight. All right, those are our 3 holes for the RigWheels. We're going to drill one other set of holes about 1 inch further in from each of those holes, just through the first layer though, not all the way through, and that's what our tripod's going to sit inside of. All right, all our holes are drilled. Now all we have to do is attach our RigWheels. Washers on both sides. And there we have a $15 really nice camera dolly. Of course, you use steel or more solid parts, you're going to have a better roll. But let's throw this down and see how we did. So all we have left to do is to put it on our tripod. So let's put our wheels and our base on our track. Then here's a camera. We've taken the feet off, so all we have left are the spikes. And the spikes are going to go in the 3 holes that we drilled next to the holes for the RigWheels. Those are in, and to secure those so they don't jump on us during the shoot is we're just going to use some zip ties. So there it is, a great camera dolly using RigWheels and about $15 worth of plumbing parts from your local hardware store. Pick up a set of RigWheels on rigwheels.com today.